Cross-country bus travel is nobody's idea of a picnic. Cramped quarters, uncomfortable sleeping positions, truck stop food. What could make it worse? How about if police officers boarded the bus and searched you? How does the Fourth Amendment come into play when officers engage in this practice? The United States Supreme Court addressed this issue in United States v. Drayton. Christopher Drayton and Clifton Brown traveled on a commercial bus which stopped at a rest stop. Lacking a search warrant, 3 plainclothes officers without visible weapons boarded the bus. One officer went to the back, one stayed up front, and a third, Officer Lang, questioned each passenger one by one. None of the officers blocked the bus's exits or aisles. In a quiet and non-confrontational tone, Lang identified himself as an officer to each passenger by showing his badge and said they were engaging in a drug and weapons interdiction. Lang asked for permission to search each passenger's luggage, but didn't inform them that they could refuse his request. When he got to Drayton and Brown, Lang noticed that they were wearing coats and baggy clothing even though the weather was warm. Lang asked permission to search their luggage and pat down their outer clothing. Drayton and Brown agreed. Although Lang found nothing illegal in their luggage, when he patted down the men, he felt packages taped to their thighs. From Lang's training and experience, he knew the packages likely contained illegal drugs. The officer seized the packages, which contained cocaine. A federal grand jury charged Drayton and Brown with drug trafficking offenses. Drayton and Brown moved to suppress the cocaine under the Fourth Amendment. The federal district court denied their motion, and Drayton and Brown were convicted and sentenced to prison. On appeal, the United States Court of Appeals for the 11th Circuit reversed the convictions after concluding that the district court should have granted the motion to suppress. The government successfully petitioned the United States Supreme Court to review the case.